Before continuing our class, can I ask someone what is a software?
A software is a set of programs designed to control a computer.
Okay, it's a set of program. After that, we will be discussing about the application software. In the previous class we have already discussed about the system software, isn't it? So let me share my screen. Okay, a set of instructions that tells the computer to do program. Two main types of software: system software and application software. System software the koina like say Windows XP, Mac OS, Windows 11. Several type of operating systems are known as system software, and different applications like developmental tools, system utilities. These are some of the system software, and the application software consists of the game, Microsoft Word, Photoshop. They are also known as the application software. So, system software versus application software. So, system software coordinate instructions between software and hardware, include operating system, utilities program. In application software, programs used to complete tasks includes productivity software, specialty software, entertainment software, educational and reference software, and personal use. So, application software in productivity, there are word processing, spreadsheet, presentation, database, personal information system management, personal finance, in media, image editing, audio editing, video editing, media management, in home and entertainment, gaming, education, reference, drawing, business, home business, large business, specialized business. These are the main characteristics of the application software, and what are the software used for productivity, media, home entertainment, business. These are the needs for application software. After that, we will be discussing productivity software. So in productivity software, programs that enable you to perform tasks required in home, school, and business, like word processing program, spreadsheet program, the presentation program, database program, personal information management program. These are the productivity software. Word processing software used to create and edit written document. Features include quick and easy editing, formatting option, graphics, template, wizard, example, Corel, WordPerfect, Microsoft Word, OpenOffice Writer. These are the example of word processing software. Spreadsheet software is used to perform calculations and numerical analysis. Features include worksheet with cells, value formulas, and functions, automatic recalculation. Example, Lotus 123, Microsoft Excel, OpenOffice Calc. Presentation software used to create slideshows. Features include template and layout, different views. Example, Corel presentation, Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice Impress. Database software used as a complex electronic filing system. Features include ability to group, sort, and retrieve data and generate reports. Organized into fields, record, and table. Example, Corel Paradox, Microsoft Access, OpenOffice Base. Some of the database software are Oracle, MySQL, and FoxPro. These are some of the example of database software. Personal information management Manager software used to replace a management tool found on a traditional desk. Features calendar, address book, notepad, to-do list, some contents in email management features. Some examples are Lotus Organizer and Microsoft Outlook. Microsoft Outlooks are used for managing day-to-day schedule and some of the timetable which we use in our day-to-day life. Productivity software tool wizard step-by-step guide that help you to complete a task. These are the step-by-step wizard. And macros, small program that group a series of commands to run as a single command. So if someone asks what is the use of macros, then you can answer this. After that, integrated software application versus software suites ko. Integrated application, single program that incorporates many software program. That means in a single program, it can be used for many other features also. Complex features are not included in this software. Example, Microsoft Work. Software suite, collection of standalone software program packaged together like Microsoft Suite, Office Suite. Okay. Personal and financial software used for tax preparation and financial planning. Example, TurboTax and ISR Block, TaxCut, Intuit Quicken, and Microsoft Money web-based program the mint.com ꯑꯗꯒꯤ wasabi.com. Speech recognition software translate spoken words into typed text. It can be used for typing without typing on the keyboard by only saying on the microphone. Accuracy level 95 to 99% can be achieved. Not all 100%, okay? Digital image editing software used to edit photographs and other images, also called photo editing software. Features include tools for basic modification to digital image, printing tools that allow you to create image. Example, Adobe Photoshop, photo collection software, Google Picasa, Microsoft Photo Story. This Google Picasa is nowadays commonly used for photo browsing and photo viewing. Digital audio software, MP3 audio compressed format. Software allow you to record, riff, copy CD to MP3 and burn, make a CD file. Also allow you to perform format conversion. Although audio editing software include tools to edit audio file. Digital video editing software, there are different types of digital video editing software. So let's see some of them. Used to edit digital videos, features include special effects, transition, narration, or voiceover, overlay. Voiceover, have you heard the term voiceover? It is Quang Lin?
Yes.
Yes. So in this method, a video is played and you have to speak relating to the video, okay, at specific moment, specific time. Example, Adobe Premiere. This is the most powerful software which we use for editing. Microsoft Movie Maker, Apple iMovie, and nowadays Filmora is using. We use Filmora as a simple, very efficient video editing software. Media management software, software to organize media file, sort, filter, search by artist, album, or categories. Windows Media Player, Nullsoft, WinRAR, or Apple iTunes are example. Manage individual track and generate playlists, burn song to CD and print liner notes. You should know all this software and how are they used for and what are they used for. How to use also. Online photo management. These are nowadays commonly used for content creator and social media activists. Web-based site allow easy management and sharing of digital photos, allow creation of photo albums, offer professional printing services. Example, Flickr.com, Snapfish.com, Shutterfly.com, and nowadays we are using Canva. Gaming software requires high processing power, high memory, high hard disk capacity, sound card, video card, speaker, monitor, CD, DVD drives, etc. Education and reference software. Education software provide instruction for or training type include K-12 education, skills, test preparation, course management, simulation training. Reference software. Software a source for reference types include atlases, dictionary, thesaurus, encyclopedias. Thesaurus means thesaurus, medical and legal references. These are the reference software and these are the education software. Munir, turn on your video. Course management software used for web-based classes. Features include calendar, gradebook, discussion board, example, WebCT, Blackboard, Moodle, etc. And in drawing software, used to create and edit two-dimensional drawing, technical diagram, animations, geometric shape, also referred to as illustration software. Example, the Adobe Illustration, Microsoft Visio. Accounting software help small business owners manage their finances, provide tools for tracking accounts receivable and account payable, include templates for invoices. Have you heard about the term invoices? Anyone? Invoices are like receipt or case memo if you buy or if you provide a service and some amount of money is given to you, then there should be a written proof. Those are known as invoices, statement, and financial report. Example, Intuit QuickBooks, Peachtree from Sega Accounting. DTP software, that means desktop publishing software, used to arrange text and graphic for publication. Features include text formatting, file importing, graphic tools, web publishing. Example, QuickExpress, Adobe InDesign, formerly known as PageMaker. And Microsoft Word is also used. Web page authoring software used to design web pages. Knowledge of HTML is not necessary. Features include wizard and template, reference material. Example, Microsoft Expression Web, Adobe Dreamweaver, Office application, save as web page. And nowadays we are using WordPress for developing web pages. Common file format, PDF, that means portable document format. Common file format avoids file sharing problem between programs. Create with Adobe Acrobat, Qt PDF Writer, Freeware, add-in Office 2007, Office Writer, and Corel WordPerfect. Large business software used across a variety of industry include business and marketing plan software, project management software, customer relationship management CRM software, enterprise resource planning ERP, system mapping and program. You don't have to know all this software, but you have to get the knowledge of this software. Specialized business software goes tailored to the needs of a particular company or industry, called vertical market software. Proprietary software programs custom developed to address the scientific need of a particular company. Software is then owned by that company. Computer aided design CAD used to create 3D automated design, technical drawing, and model visualization. Industrial use include architecture, automotives, aerospace, medical engineering, manufacturing, CAD and CAM. Getting help software, you have to type only help in search button. Software license you have to buy, but we are using a hack version, so you don't need to buy, but this is not legal. Okay, if a software is published, then you have to buy, but we don't have the money to buy that kind of software because they were too costly, so we have to use the hack version. Buying software, pre-installing software, web-based application software, discounted software, you have to use how you you have to know how to use this software by installing or on the web. Freeware and shareware, this is very important. So freeware means copyrighted software you can get free. Beta version program still under development. Shareware software that allow user to run it for a limited time free of charge. Open source means free to use. This term should be noted because in our day-to-day life you will be come across. Software version, major version, minor version, version 2.0, 2.1. These are the type of software version. These are minor version, they are the update version of the previous one. System requirement, installing and installing, opening software, this all you can know, all of them. After that, after application software, so application software are basically used for a specific functions, and there are two types of application software. What are they? General purpose and specific purpose. Okay, so after that, computer language. So there are two types of computer language. They are commonly known as low level and high level language. So what are low level language? Anyone?
The language that only computer can understand.
Can you give an example of low level language?
0 and 1.
They are binary, I mean language. Anyone? Machine language and assembly language. Machine language and assembly language are known as the low level language. In machine language, we use 0 and 1, and in assembly language, the letters are, some of them are words, symbols, etc., which are known as the mnemonic codes. So in assembly language, we use mnemonic code instead of other words. So let's see about the language. So, human language commonly used to express feeling and understand other person expression. It can be oral or gestural kind of communication. Definition of computer language. A computer language are the language by which a user command a computer to work on the algorithm which a user has written to get an output. So have you heard about the term algorithm?
Yes.
What is algorithm? What is algorithm? Sushita, listen carefully. So algorithm means the step-by-step instructions which are used for running a program. Okay. After that, two types of computer language are low-level language and high-level language. Low-level language. A low-level programming language is a programming language that provides little or no abstraction from a computer's instruction set architecture. It consists of code that is 0 and 1. These codes are easily understandable to computer but difficult to human. A low-level language is used in two generations of computer, first generation and second generation. First generation language or 1GL represent the very early primitive computer language that consisted entirely of 0 and 1s, the actual language that the computer understands, machine language. Second generation 2GL represent a step up from the first generation language, allow for the use of symbolic names instead of just number. Second generation languages are known as assembly language. The code written in the assembly language is converted into machine language, and the code are known as what?
Mnemonics.
Mnemonics. Characteristics of low-level language. Direct memory management, little to no abstraction from the hardware, register access statements usually have an obvious correspondence with clock cycle, superb performance. Advantage. Computational speed is very fast, directly understandable by computer. Disadvantage. Development of a program in machine language is very time consuming. Error correction is tedious process. What is tedious? What is mean by tedious? Tiring and the conversion process. Okay. High level language. High level programming language allow the specification of a program solution. Solution पागनु को से solution. कहीं है नहीं बा?
Solution.
Okay. We may take a solution and a pike solution and a pike or many day. In terms of closer to those used by human beings, these languages were designed to make programming far easier, less error prone, and to remove the programmer from having to know the details of the internal structure of a particular computer. This language is used in third generation. So in which generation high level programming languages are used?
Third generation.
And about assembly language, which generation?
First generation.
Assembly language is first generation.
Second generation.
Second generation.
Second generation. And what about first generation?
Machine language.
Machine language. So high-level languages are easily understandable by the user to interact with a computer. They are of ABC 123, which a human being can easily read and type. Third generation 3GL. This is the high-level language. With the language introduced by the third generation of computer programming, word and commands instead of just symbol and number were being used. This language therefore had syntax that was much easier to understand. Third generation languages are known as high level language and include C, C++, Java, and JavaScript among others. Different types of high level languages are there, but some of them very important are C++, Visual Basic, Java, JavaScript, PHP, ASP. Nowadays it comes with the Python also. C++ is statically typed free-form multi-paradigm compiled general purpose programming language. It regarded as a middle level language and it compared as combination of both high level and low level language. Language feature operators and operator overloading templates, object polymorphism. There is a book produced over polymorphism. This is very vast topic. Visual Basic. This you will come across in class 7. Class 8. You will learn Visual Basic in class 8. Is the third generation event-driven programming language and integrated development environment IDE from Microsoft. For its computer programming model, Visual Basic is relatively easy to learn and understand. Characteristics: interpreted, dynamic, construct, open classes, manage, messages, style, method, etc. Poor performance, concise code, flexible syntax, good for internal DSLs. Advantage: they are simple to adopt due to their English-like structure of statement. They are easy to maintain and debug. What is meant by debug? What is debug? Correction of error. Okay. Disadvantage: the program written in high-level language are less efficient as they take more execution time. The compiler also consumes some memory as it requires for the translation process. Okay. So you have learned about the programming language and the chapter 1 is ended here. Have you got any questions regarding to this chapter? You can ask me now.